Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you change your password in Sage 50 Cloud. It's very straightforward. All you need to do is go to the settings at the top here. So this is the top ribbon, it's the bar that goes horizontally across the screen at the top of the screen. Settings, go down to change password. Your username will appear. Simply enter your new password, confirm your password, and click OK. You can also input a security question answer just in case you forget your password. I highly recommend you do this. So enter the details, click OK, and your new password will be saved on Sage 50 Cloud. If you're interested in learning the ins and outs of this software, basics right to the extensive features of Sage 50 Cloud, all you need to do is go to my website. All this material is for free, so go to freebookkeepingaccounting.com, click on free stuff, scroll down to the Sage videos. All these videos are for free, and then click on the links and watch any video you want. There are courses for Sage, all different versions of Sage. There are bank reconciliation courses, VAT return courses, other courses that go through the more extensive features of the software. Thank you so much for watching.